Hey everyone! Today I will be showing you two types of eggplant fritters, commonly known as beguni in Bengali. It is a popular street food of Kolkata, but I have given a little bit of my twist to the recipe. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bombi. We will first make the batter. Take a bowl and put a strainer on top. We need gram flour, also known as besan. In India, usually gram flour is always used for making any pakora recipes. Then comes turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt. Then we need some baking powder to make the coating light and fluffy. I like to add a little bit of cornstarch to get a crispy coating. You can even use rice flour. Gram flour always tend to have some lumps in them, and it becomes really hard to get rid of them once you add water. So always pass it through a strainer like this. See those round bits in the strainer? I was talking about these. Okay, now I will be adding nigella seeds. It has this nutty kind of flavor, but it is totally optional. My ma always adds this whenever she makes pakoras. So I do the same and I really love its flavor. Now I will be adding water. I like using cold chilled water. Add water a little at a time. Now there is no exact measurement for this. Add little at a time and mix. If you add too much of water, the batter won't be smooth and may become too watery. So do exactly how I am showing you. It is extremely thick, so you need to add more water. Keep on adding water a little at a time till you reach the desired consistency. See, now it has got this pouring consistency, and this is exactly what we are looking for. Another tip here is it should be able to coat the back of a spoon, and if you run a line, the batter should be staying on either side of the line. Okay, so enough of batter tutorial. Now let's move on to the next step. Allow the batter to stand while you prep your eggplants. I like using medium-sized eggplants like this. So I have cut them into 3 different shapes. I will be following the usual regular recipe with the long ones, but the round ones will be having my little twist in them. Just before starting to fry, add just a sprinkle of salt all over them. Remember, the batter also has salt in it, so do not add too much salt to the eggplants. While the oil is heating up on medium heat, there is one more thing that we need to do to the batter. Take a whisk and mix it very well with whatever muscle power you possess. This will incorporate air into the batter, resulting in puffy and light pakoras. And my bowl was giving me a hard time, so I put a kitchen cloth under the bowl to make things stable. Next, take about a tablespoon of hot oil. Add it to the batter and immediately mix. These are all tips to make the batter crispy, so please try to follow them. I hardly have any muscles, so that was enough of whipping from my end. Let's start frying. As always, I like doing the stick test. A steady flow of bubbles means the oil is ready. Keep the heat of your stove to medium. Now coat both the sides of the eggplant with the batter. Let the excess drip off, Then release it slowly into the oil, placing it in such a way that it points away from you so that no oil splashes on you. If you are a beginner, I would highly recommend you to do this using a pair of tongs. It may look a bit intimidating in the beginning, but you will soon get the hang of it. As you can see, I am placing them very gently close to the oil to minimize any splash outs. Fry them on medium-low heat. If the heat is too high, then the outside will brown up too soon and the eggplant will stay uncooked. So controlling the heat of your stove is very important here. Wait for a minute after putting them in oil so that the batter sets in. Then turn them immediately after a minute so that the other side puffs up as well. Turn them from time to time to get an even browning. Once you see this beautiful golden color, it's time to take them out. Coming to the next one, take a round one and place cheese slices on it. You can use any type of cheese according to your liking, but remember not to use too much. Then place another round on top just like a sandwich. Coat it very well all around with the batter. Let the excess batter drip off and then place in the oil. Don't they look like little round pillows? And this one looks like it has my name written on it with my fingerprints engraved onto it so beautifully. You may see some cheese oozing out from the coating, and that's perfectly fine. That's why I said not to use too much of cheese, as then it will be a gooey mess. Some of that cheese that oozes out also gets fried up on the surface, and those taste the best according to me. It is crunchy on the outside and the eggplant becomes buttery soft, and it is irresistibly delicious. You can serve this as an appetizer or as a side with rice and dal, or with a cup of tea as a snack. If you are interested in more pakora recipes like this, then click on the recipe showing on the screen. Stay safe and healthy, my friends. Bye bye.